yourself out.
Jesus. Come on, bud. Put this cigarette out. It's time for working. It's time for fucking chain smoking. This ain't chain smoking time. That's it.
It was stuck.
Yeah.
From being there for so long?
They must have wedged it in there for the shower valve or something. Because it must have been like, boom. What's that?
Oh yeah, it is holding.
There you go, brother. There you go. You're getting it now. Oh yeah, you're on something now, bro.
Go back out?
No, keep going, brother. You're on it. You're at the block now. I bet there is something up on there. I guarantee there's probably something up on there. Damn, brother, man. Woo. Dinky. Dinky, dinky. One of the best lights possible, Husky. 5,000 lumens. Oh, yeah.
That's taken off the side of the. How flat. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna unroll that one probably right off.
That's.
Look at that, it's like a carpet. You can make a blanket out of that, Joe. You gotta knit that up for your son tonight.
This one. I'd say that's a wipe.
Yeah, I would say that is probably a wipe. Oh,
Dude,
Jesus.
she's thick.
Oh my God, dude. Oh. Yeah, dude. Don't get too crazy now.
I ain't stopping now.
Yeah.
Because I gotta rinse off. What the
Now we
fuck?
gotta take a shower in this bathroom. Oh my God.
Look, beads.
Oh, dude, there's a bracelet. Dude, you got a bracelet too. Look at that. Show me the bracelet. I want to see that pretty bracelet right there.
Hey.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that little bracelet. Oh my God, that stinks, Joe. I mean, that really does. I need sleep, but hey, it's another day.